over that way. And this is the view from this point. So right here now, that way goes down to lot 7. That's still for sale. And then here we're going to enter on our property line the new stairs that Gonzalo put. Did a fabulous job. So let's just see what happens here. Down the rail and the river's way down there. Okay, still part way down the stairs here. You can see, let's see, we were up there to the top of the falls, and now it goes down and way down there. So we're heading that way. But the stairs are fabulous. This is going to be perfect. They're perfect stairs, Bernie. Down, down, down. Muy fresco aquí. You see, I still have a little further to go down to the river. And then that's our property, let's see, our property line right through there. Love it. Love it. These always have it all tied up with vines. So down that way at the edge of our property. Oh. We could walk there before, but now it's very, very full. And here, maybe a route. But here's okay. We'll walk this way. And let's see, we could make a nice little refreshing pond. Hey, look how much sun is coming in. So this is about, I think, about 9 a.m. And a nice little open spot there. And this is our falls. Nice and cold on the boots. Might get too much mist on my camera. Let's go over here. Okay, we just came up the river here. On the other side. here. You see where the stairs are up there. This is what it looks like. These are the vines the kids were swinging on last year over the rocks. Lovely flower there. So there you have it. Catarata Escondido in el Bosque Tranquilo de Bernie. Okay, let's go back up the stairs here now. Let's see how hard of a climb it is. Oh, and a little hummingbird. Oh, okay. One last look before we leave the falls. Whoa, the hummingbirds are just whipping through here. Just on the way up. There's so many, such nice views every step you go up. So if you do this twice a day, you'll be in the best shape ever. There's the pond in the first part of the falls. Somebody lives in there, but I won't stay to find out who. Now right at the top, not sure what kind of fruit that is.